This is an after the storm video. Oh, the porch is not saying what. I think it's drizzling a little bit. What are you whining about? Go home, you don't live here. Stop your whining. Goodbye, Pepper. Go home. If you're gonna whine, go home. Good grief. There's some pretty flowers. Stay focused on the flowers a little bit. What is the problem? You are not going inside. You're a boy dog. You make a mess all over. No. You could stay on the porch, but you are not going in. Absolutely not. You're not messing all over our furniture. No. I don't mean to sound mean, buddy boy, but you're not going to go in and make a mess on our furniture. No. Look at how high the grass is. I can't stand boy dogs. They go to their bathroom all over the furniture. It's drizzling a little bit. I figured I'd make an after the storm video. Come on, Bella. Come on. You coming? You're the reason why he's whining. My gosh, the grass from the rain, it's getting high. Oh, he must have left. There he is in the tree. You know, I don't mind him here, but now when he wants to think he's going to go in the house and then pee all over the furniture. Not happening. Let's see, flowers over here. They're kind of wilted, I guess. I don't know if wilted is the correct term or not. From the rain. Just the heaviness of the rain. With all this rain, I'm surprised there's no flood in front of my shed. Oh, hello, Gigi. Oh my gosh, all you all came out. They pushed the storm door open. Pepper, no, you're not coming in. Neither are you, Gigi. You're probably all wet. It's a doggy gathering. No, you're not coming in. No, you're wet. Go. No, you're wet. No. Gigi, no. Yeah, man. Good girl. Come on, precious, good girl. Pepper, go home and pee. Good grief, dog. Come on, sweetie, you want to go in? Sweetie girl, come on. Sweetie, come on, you can come in. Come on, mama, sweetie. Come on. Pepper, baby. Pepper. There you go. Let's see that face on video. You going in, sweetie? Go on. And all you stay in. You're a good boy, Pepper. I just can't have you in the house. God knows the stink won't come out. Pepper, baby. Can we see your face? It's drizzling very little. But I just wanted to get an after the rain video with all this rain. The stinking grass is so high. I'm surprised these flowers are standing up and the other ones are laying flat. There's flower on that tree. That tree is heavy too with the branches. These are standing upright. And then these over here are laying down. I don't know why these are laying down from the water. The other ones look like they're standing upright. Hey, go take a walk, honey. Go jog around the property. Not sure if I got that on video or not. Bird flying by. Fire pit. So much rain, I just figured I'd get a little video of the flowers. I'm probably gonna end this video shortly. Excuse me. And if it starts raining too heavy, I'll try and get a little video. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna excuse me, waste this video time. Just gonna leave this little video as is. Tiny little, I'm gonna go another, say, 5 seconds, and then I'm gonna end this video.